Thank you so much for your love and support. Once again, we are back with another video tutorial, and this video tutorial is regarding the sidecar container. Sidecar container. Before we proceed to sidecar container, we have to understand what is multi-container pod. The name itself suggests it's a multi. One pod, it's okay. It's a pod you can consider as a single container pod. But for more than two, more or equal to two, you can call it as multi-container pods. So what is a multi-container pod? So a pod that runs two or more container. All containers share same network, volume, lifecycle. They can talk to each other via localhost, can share file and data, and start and stop together. So multi-container pods are like a sidecar pattern. Which is like a combination of helper and main is for a log type of thing, log feature, log shipper or proxy type of thing. Second, we call it as ambassador pattern for proxy to external services. Adapter pattern in sometimes things cannot be understood by the main pod, so this adapter container convert that thing and main container then listen. Like you buy from China's some phones, then that charges come with some other type of adapter. So some designs are there so that adapter can be converted into the our normal what we use in India type of adapter. And that is this adapter is. Or simple way, if I can analyze it with suppose this person is speaking French, so adapter is like a French to Hindi converter, or so that main container understand. And then tightly coupled app means it's like a husband and wife both are performing when two program always need to run together, follow file processor and watcher type of thing. So this is the case of tightly coupled example. So we'll understand this in big details. Now the adapter ambassador pattern. So you have a burger, there is cheese comes from, so this is the burger, not rightly drawn, but you understand it as a burger, and this is the cheese. So chef makes burger, and chef call every time this cheese comes from the one of the mall or one of the shop, and that shop name is Neokloud. So instead of calling directly to the shop or directly to the chef, what provision is made that as a delivery guy. So what does that delivery guy, Neokloud type of that chef is used to call a delivery guy or some person which Neokloud or mall appears. So whenever chef needed that cheese, that call it to the delivery boy, and that delivery boy get that cheese available from Neokloud. Then if that this thing has changed, this is shifted to some other shop, then what has changed that he has to call another delivery guy, and everything remains the same. So instead of changing this main container, only this delivery pod can be changed, delivery container can be changed. And now if we talk in a Kubernetes type of thing, then it's a main container, main app, and it will connect to the external DB1, and it listens to the readers. So what ambassador app does, ambassador container is like a proxy or forwarder. It's connect to the external DB1. So things, suppose it changes to some DB1, so need to update this one, and things will go same. There is no burden on this main app. This is the ambassador real time real scenario. And now we'll look at the adapter. Suppose you buy American blender and that have some different plug, but India uses this type of plugs. So we use adapter that convert that to the, so that this can work with this. So in Kubernetes main container, if it is like if we suppose this is our main app, it understand Hindi and someone is speaking French. So what adapter does, it converts that whatever things into which is understandable by this main app. Or if in language, that if it is a JSON, this main uses XML format, so it converts JSON to XML and then it performs the operations. So in this scenario, simple design, and there is a less burden on the main app. So tightly coupled app. So there is a pizza shop. One person makes a dough and other puts that in the microwave or oven and bakes it. So this both is required and both need every action, because he cannot bake without this person, and if he make and this bake is person is not available, then it's a waste. So both are needed. So these two are dependent on each other, like a file watcher container and file processing container. So tightly coupled apps containers are useless without each other. So Kubernetes keep them in the same pods. So we'll summarize this, and in next tutorial we'll have a demo for the sidecar container. So pattern, relationship, dependency, purpose, and real life analogy. This is just for understanding purpose. It has no connections with this. So first is sidecar. We haven't discussed yet. We'll discuss in detail. Ambassador. This is main plus proxy. Main depends on ambassador for external communication. Purpose, forward traffic to external service. So it's a chef calling delivery boys. Or you can say, if it is we are ordering with Amazon, if things are changed, we can order it from Flipkart. So this is changing, not the main chef. So adapter. This is a main plus translator. Main depend on the translator input. Adapter, EAPTER, adapter. Correct data. Convert transform data for the app or transform. So it is like 110 volt to 220 volt, or XML to JSON, or JSON to XML, whatever it needs. And tightly coupled. Tightly coupled means it's a partner. Both run together. One is useless without other. Watch plus process produce means it's like a dough maker plus pizza baker. And here sidecar container, it's like a main plus helper. If you have seen Mission Impossible, which is favorite my movies, here you will see Ethan Hunt and Benji. It perform a very difficult task, but Benji supports everything, logs and these things to do the impossible task. Even if you husband and wife support husband to do several impossible tasks or whatever the task need to do. So this is the sidecar. We'll summarize. So it's like a log feature or proxy and sync, not this here. Main container can do things alone, but sidecar container enhance. So it's a feature like a log reading type of thing. So can burden of that main container can be reduced. Proxy and syncing also can be done. So it's a Ethan Hunt and plus Benji combination. So in next video we'll have a demo of this in detail. Thank you so much for your love and support.